Just regular green grass again. Where are all the colorful flowers? You actually found it!
Wait a second, this entire cinematic story was created using AI, and it actually feels real. Today I'm going to show you how to build a calm, cinematic 3D cartoon story set in peaceful mountain hills using Vidu AI. From shaping a character to creating a complete emotional sequence, everything comes together inside one smooth workflow. No complex editing, no advanced skills, just clear prompts and powerful AI. If you've ever wanted to create relaxing, story-driven content for YouTube or social media without spending hours editing, this is going to completely change your approach, so let's build a full story together. Following a small cow in a quiet mountain world and bring that environment to life with soft lighting, natural motion, and a peaceful cinematic feel. And you can also find the Vidu link in the description if you want to try it yourself. To start, I use ChatGPT to generate a complete cinematic story structure. This is the exact prompt I use. Create a short cinematic 3D cartoon story set in peaceful mountain hills. Include a cute cow character, character image prompt, scene prompts, animation prompts, and emotional dialogue. The vibe should be calm, nature-focused, slightly emotional, with soft lighting, wind, and atmospheric depth. Now I have everything I need, a character, a world, and a story, all ready to be brought to life. So first, I'll copy the character image prompt and go to Vidu AI. Here, I'll select image and then text to image and paste my character prompt. This is the exact prompt I'm using. Then I'll choose the settings. Image model, latest GPT image. 2 resolution 4K aspect ratio 16:9 and click create. Now within moments, Vidu generates my character image. I'll click on it and add it to my ref hub. I'll name Daisy, a quiet traveler who loves nature, and click save. Now my character is ready. Next, I want consistent visuals across all scenes, so I'll go to reference to image. Here, I'll select my ref hub and choose Daisy. Now I'll go back to ChatGPT, copy the first scene image prompt, and paste it into Vidu. I'll keep the same settings and click generate. Now I'll repeat the same process for the next scenes. And just like that, all my scene images are ready. Now I want to bring these scenes to life, so I'll go to reference to video. At this stage, I'll create multiple animation variations with different camera movements and natural motion to make everything feel alive and immersive. I'll select my first scene image and click reference to video. Now I'll go back to ChatGPT, copy the animation prompt, and paste it into Vidu. This is the animation prompt for scene 1. Then I'll select Vidu Q3 model and duration 16 seconds and also some other settings and click create. Within a few moments, Vidu generates my animated scene. Now I'll repeat the process for the next scenes. Now I will just repeat it again. Go to ChatGPT copy prompt, select image, and then add prompt, and then just click generate. And just like that, all my animations are ready with proper music and sound effects like soft wind sounds, ambient nature audio, and subtle environmental effects to match each scene with the power of Vidu Q3. Once that's done, I'll download all the animations and audio files. Now I'll open my editing software, Filmora 15. I'll import all my clips and arrange them in sequence. I will just drag and drop all clips from my device into the Filmora and it's done. And just like that, everything comes together. Let's check the final result.
Before the world begins to speak, the mountains always whisper first. Every morning, the cold wind dances through the grass, carrying little songs across the hills. And somewhere between the sunlight and the fog, a tiny cow wakes quietly beneath the golden sky, listening to the peaceful heartbeat of nature around her. The valley was calm that morning, until a soft bell echoed through the distant hills. The tiny cow stopped beside the stream and listened carefully. That sound felt warm, familiar, like a memory returning after a very long time. It reminded her of someone she once followed through these same mountains, someone she still missed every single day.
And that's how you can create a peaceful cinematic anime video using Vidu from start to finish. If you want to try it yourself, you can find the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.